What up, family? This is Charles with Charles Transforms, and I want to share some motivation with you guys today. When I was growing up, I struggled with my weight. From the age of 11 on up to high school, although I played sports, I still was uncomfortable with my body. So I started to work out because I wanted to be happy within my skin. You know, the spare tires and man boobs, ain't nobody want to do all that. So I remember telling myself, bro, you got to do better. And there it is. So I've helped plenty of men and women just like you achieve their goals. They saw my success, my sincerity, and my willingness to help, which inspired them and gave them hope. Are you ready? Are you ready? Follow me to receive workout tips, videos, and inspirations as we work together to transform our lives one day at a time. We can do it.